this video was to show how much water I put before I fill my containers. So this is soil, the seedling soil mix, and with my sprayer I will show how much approximately I put in. So I just have to press the button and then I spray, mix it up. We just want everything to be just a little humid, so that's quite good like that. It's just, you know, it holds a little, so, but really don't put too much. Too much water, not enough water, those are the big problems. So you want just a little humid. I'm gonna plant, what I did was I have 6 different kinds of onions that I'm planting. So I already did number 6 for the French version, so I'm going to do number 5, which are red Geneva onions. I marked all my envelopes, and then I marked on my, I have 2 rows for each onion, so I marked it right there. So I've done these 2, now I'm gonna do the next 2. I put more than 1 seed. I put approximately 2 or 3 per container, per, I don't know what they're called, but the individual sections there. And I will keep the strongest seedling. So, I mean, even if there's an extra one, that's fine. Not too much. Okay, so I'll keep the other ones. The seeds are good for a while. So this was 2000 and that was last year, 2021. So, and then I'm going to show how much water I put on it. So for the first time, just as long as the top is wet, then I'm going to put the translucent dome on it, and it's going to go on a heating pad when I'm done all the onions. So that's it for onions. I've done my leeks here, so same way of doing it. So that's